I just want to make the sound of love.
Oh, good. Let's do that.
Do it.
That's a great idea.
Okay, everybody, sound of love.
Let's do the sound of love. Okay, let's give ourselves a sound hug with the sound of love.
Send the sound of love to all the kids on the planet. Some of them are hungry too. So send it to all the kids on the planet. Sound of love. Okay, ready? Okay, so do a sound hug and send the sound of love to your own heart. Any sound, just make a sound of love to your own heart.